Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, you are going to finally see me use some of the Revlon and the WW84 products. So I am super excited about this, so stay tuned. Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Okay, so if you haven't seen the video where I showed you guys this information about the Revlon and Wonder Woman collaboration, definitely check that video out so you can see all of the products that they have in the collection. Okay, I was sent a few of those products and I put all of those in that video. So I'm going to definitely be using this eyeshadow palette. It is so pretty. I'm going to use this and I'm going to show you what some of these look like. So on the back they have the names, and I do believe that this palette is still available. So you can see that it's quite a few shimmers, and I'm just going to show you what they look like. Now some of these do apply better using a primer, of course, and using your finger. I like to use brushes, but we're gonna jump right in and do an eye look. So first I'm going to do my brows off camera. So I just threw some brows on. Now I'm going to carve them out and nicen them up a little bit, a lot of it. So the concealer and the foundation and all of that, that's not the main point of this video, so I'm not going to talk about any of that stuff. So I'm going to start by putting this shade, which is called Truth, in my crease area, and this shade, which is Compassion, in my brow bone. Then I'm going to work in these different colors to create like a colorful cut crease kind of blended look. So let's just have fun. I put this in the crease, Truth, some Compassion under that brow bone. Then I applied some Brave in the crease and some Wisdom in the outer V area. For the cut crease, I think I'm going to use the two blues and the purple, and kind of like a gradient effect. I'm about to go in with the eyeliner that they sent me, and I'm going to do like a thicker line, and I'm going to apply this other product that they sent me. This is the Transforming Effects eye powders, and this is what it looks like. And you can just apply this on top of the liner, and it's going to give it like a different look. So let's try that out. I'm super excited. So the liner has a gloss finish, so when you go on top of it with this product, it's going to kind of hold on to this color. And because I did my ombre starting with this color in the inner corner, I'm going to start with this color and then do it like that to make it you know, reverse, and I think that'll be cool. So let's try it. And I have not used these products before. This is my first time using these products on here with you guys. And another thing, the product I think is in the cap, so when you put this in here, you can get more product like that. And it should be dry, but I'm going to start with this eye. And you see how that liner just really takes that color. Let me get some more. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So now I'm gonna go in with the other side. And I think I'm going to leave the end of it black. So that is different. I think I want to go on top of it with the black line. And this is a felt tip. And just like that. Just to add a little contrast and outline the liner. So I applied some mascara, and now I'm going to apply my lashes in the style Fierce. Then I'm going to do my foundation. Y'all see that all the time. Y'all don't need to see that. And then I will show you guys the finished look. When I apply my foundation, I'm also going to clean up around this liner, and I'm liking how this is looking here in my waterline. So they did send this product here. It is called the Color Stay Glaze Stick. So I think I want to put some of this in my waterline. It has a smudger on the other side, but the smudger really kind of removes the product. As you can see, I kind of played with this one a little bit. So I'm going to put this in my waterline. And y'all can see how pretty that is. After I apply my foundation and everything, I might add a little bit more so it can pop. But I am loving it. Okay, so I did the brows. I applied my lashes and everything. These are my lashes in the style Fierce. Okay, I'm gonna keep telling y'all. Okay. The link to my website is in the description bar. So I did my brows. I love the eyeshadow look. Love, love, love. As you can see, I took the wrap off, so the baby hair is laid. Okay, now we got to do something about these lips. Okay, so they sent me this color in coffee bean here. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Coffee bean, very pretty, very, you know, everyday color. Then they sent me Truth Seeker. Now, if you know me, you know I'm a sucker for plum, okay? And it's so creamy. Oh, it just feels amazing. They also sent me this liquid lipstick here. And this is more of like a kind of reddish magenta color. So looking at this eye look, I want to do the plum with the Truth Seeker, but this one is kind of speaking to me as well. Let's try the plum, just because I like that one. So I'm going to use my mirror. This mirror also came with it. It has the Wonder Woman and Revlon logo on that. Super cute, y'all. I can't wait for this movie to come out. I've been watching the preview and I can't wait. I can't wait. So after I applied the foundation and the powder and everything, I did go back in my waterline with that blue, and I really like that product. I can see myself using that more often, so that's great. So to apply this lipstick, I'm just going around. And I did apply some lip liner. I like to use a dark brown lip liner. And this is so pretty, y'all. And there she is. She is on there and popping, y'all. So definitely I will be using this color again. And this one is a great everyday color as well. But today I just had to do it, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this Revlon and Wonder Woman look. Make sure you check out the other video to see all of the different things that I got. They sent me some great stuff. I tried to use as much as I could. I haven't used the nail polish yet, so y'all might see this in a nail video. And I didn't get to use this yet. This is a highlighting product, but I think I want to try to apply this on my face first before I apply my foundation, or kind of mix it in with the foundation, because I don't want to put it on top of my powdered face. As you can see, it's very creamy. It kind of has like a kind of lip gloss or Vaseline kind of look. So I do want to try this on my face first and then put my foundation on top, or kind of mix it into the foundation, because it has like some sparkles and all of that. So that might be really cute. If you like a dewy look, then you can definitely apply this on with your fingers, and it's going to give you that Wonder Woman glow. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely did. I am just so appreciative of Revlon for sending me this stuff. I really wish I could have tried these products back in June when they sent them, but of course my post office was playing games. Okay, so make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that y'all don't miss not a one video. Make sure that you keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.